I was just wondering what career fulfillment means to you.
Career fulfillment is about actually having a vocation rather than a job, having a vocation that aligns with your values, your personal values. I was the first woman to complete the apprenticeship. The college that I went to, they didn't even have a ladies' toilet in the engineering block at all. I weighed the motors and I found that there was a 20-gram difference in weight between the passes and fails. For me, that was a rewarding experience in that I was able to find what the root cause was, where other teams hadn't. Your quality management system should reflect the culture of the organisation and the way the organisation works.
What would you say one small step that they could take to start moving in a better direction for themselves?
One small step, that's going to be a tricky one to bring down to one small step. I think.
Catch a full episode this Tuesday on YouTube, Apple Podcasts and Spotify. See you then.